You're looking at the screen. I told you guys last week when I made that video, this video, you know the video that I'm talking about right here. Bam. Dbxen NFTs on Polygon Matic, right? Check out that video. I told you guys in that video that this thing was at 7 cents, and leading up to the launch, you're gonna see some heavy buy pressure. We was at 7 cents. This thing topped at 20 cents. It is right now 16.8 cents. The bdxn, the Dbxen version of Matic, is the one I'm talking about today, and it is up 50% at the time of this recording, which means by the time you see it, it could be up, it could be down. Hey, it's crypto. So stick around, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's get straight into this one. There you have it. All right. Raz decided to come out today and he posted this right here. Says everyone is getting ready and set for the Dbxen NFT's big launch. Tomorrow is going to launch on Polygon Matic, and revealing the first collection containing 10 pictures of artwork created by the Dbxen and the Dbxen NFT builders OG team. Hey, special thanks to this artist right here. That's the artist that made these solid Dbxen NFTs. So shouts out to them. The team is doing tremendous work. I'm telling you, the Dbxen team and Raz, they are an underrated team in my opinion. And I think, listen, man, Raz is cooking, bro. This here, just the beginning. This is a bear market. I've been telling you guys this since last week. I was like, yo, leading up to the launch, I mentioned it literally in the video when this thing was at 7 cents. But people don't take action. People don't listen. Listen, you could burn your Xen to get your Dbxen rewards in anticipation to this. And you know, hey, it's Dbxen NFTs, but when it launches tomorrow, we're going to cover it as well. And there you have it, man. It's going to be some dope stuff coming, especially the Dbxen on post chain, because I've heard some crazy gems and alphas about that one too. Raz is going to reduce the future mints or something like that, where you know how it is 62 years faucet gonna be turned off and you can't mint any more Dbxens. The one on post chain, he's gonna try and reduce that to a few months. It's the same way as the one on Optimism. I think this is similar to what Jack and Zen Su and them are trying to do with the Zen version of Optimism, where instead of 3,000 days for the AMP, they're gonna bring it down to about 300, and within a year the entire supply would be minted, and that would be dope. I wish they did that with Zen on ETH and Zen on these other chains, and say, hey, we're gonna launch from 2022, and then 2 years after that, 2024, boom, after 24 months, done, no more minting. That would have been super bullish, man. But the Zen on Optimism would give us an idea of what these other Zens would look like when the mint terms in 8 years come out. And the beauty about this is, listen, 8 years or 2 years, we're heading up to a bull market, and Zen have a bright future. And Dbxen also have a bright future. I can't wait for the Dbxen NFTs and Raz to launch the Dbxen NFTs version for Binance. I think after this, they're going to be focusing on the one on Ethereum after the Polygon launch. And then after that, they're going to launch slowly on the other chains. But man, the one on Binance is going to be dope. Yeah, that's Dbxen, man. Look at this. The Dbxen has burnt 23 trillion Matic Zen. That's the powerful thing. And out of that 23 trillion, right? For the Dbxen tokens that have been paid out and rewards and all of that came out into circulation, remember, 5 million. And out of that, 1.585 million DXN tokens have been staked. So wherever Dbxen is, there's a large amount that are being staked, because it earns you protocol fees on Matic, protocol fees on Binance, protocol fees on Ethereum. So who wouldn't want that, bro? Some of these chains, you know, most of these chains will survive, in my opinion, because they have now use case, and that's the power of them. These chains, man, This crypto has a bright future, man. Very, very bright future. People are gonna see it. And man, listen, shout out to the Dbxen team. I told you guys last week to pay attention to the price because it could take off, and boom, it took off. I think it topped at like 20 cents and then it came back down a little bit. We're currently at almost 17 cents. Expect a little bit more buy pressure. And yeah, this could get there, man. Hopefully it could get close to at least 50 cents or something to that nature. So you're approaching that dollar mark. That's power right there. That's the power of Dbxen. People don't realize Dbxen is going to be scarce everywhere. There's only 5 million tokens that will ever come out. I'm going to leave it at that. Let's move on to the news today. And that is none other than Solana. A solid bet for the next bull run with a potential great multiples, right? This is according to an analyst who's saying that, you know, Solana may come back strong. And I agree with him. After reading this, man, listen, Solana is here to stay. People are quick to kill Solana, but Solana will be one of the next gems, bro. Solana has the curse of having the fastest chain, but also the less secure. In other words, they sacrificed security for speed, and that is Solana's biggest detriment. But if they walk around that, Solana hasn't been secure in a while because it's been down, it's been hacked, it's been on maintenance, it's this and that. And the idea that Solana network is gonna die, I don't believe it, bro. Solana pulled off one of the best things they could have ever done in the bull market, and that caused the Solana price to go from 50 cents all the way up to $260. That was absolutely impressive, and that is none other than what they did with Ethereum's NFT. They literally stole Ethereum's market, and that was dope marketing from Solana. Solana looked into the JPEGs and all these NFTs, and they said, yo, buying in NFTs in the bull market for Ethereum are expensive. Come over here to Solana with Bored Ape Yacht Clubs and all this other stuff they did. Incredible marketing team Solana has, and people started slowly moving over to Solana with their NFTs, and boom, the entire chain benefited from that. And that is why I'm not counting Solana completely out the next bull cycle. I think they're gonna make it, bro. Solana is going to be here for the in the long run. And yeah, that's the powerful thing about Solana, man. They are here to stay. One of the few blockchains that are actually super fast, you know, and all they need to do is to work on their security. Yeah, remember their blockchain trilemma: decentralization, scalability, and security. Right, they can work out. Solana is also a little bit more centralized, similar to Binance, but they are working on decentralization themselves, the Solana team, and you can see that they can scale, but they just not secure. So the blockchain trilemma, they haven't solved it. But eventually in the future, I think they will, because listen, we're talking Solana here. So yeah, look into Solana, Postchain, some of these other blockchains that are here to stay, whether layer 1 or layer 2. I'm just glad that we have cryptocurrencies that have real world use case and utility. People are transacting in them on a day-to-day basis, doing DeFi, yield farming, all kinds of stuff. Well, man, listen, I wouldn't have it any other way, because if you think about it, the bear market of 2018, we didn't have none of this. If you was here in 2018, we didn't have none of this, bro. Now you have functioning chains that you can use, bro. Postchain, the founders getting sued, but people are using Postchain. They're utilizing it. You know, the numbers don't lie. I'm also DCAing with Postchain. That was just a short one. Like up the video, share it, subscribe for some crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.